welcome. Today in front of me REALME GT Neo 2 and I'll show you how to add or remove the home screen widgets on this device. So first you should just select the screen where you want to add the widget. For example, I will go in with the new one to show you how you can do that. And now just press and hold for a while your screen, and here just go to the widgets icon. And here, as can you see, we got all the available widgets that we can add to our screen. So I'll just go in with the clock one, for example, and now just press and hold for a while and move it to the position where you want to just add the widget. For example, I'll add it here. Also, if you want to just move the screen to the another screen or just between the screens, you can just press and hold for a while and just drag it here, for example. Also, we can add the one more widget on our screen by the same way. Just go here to the widgets, and for example we'll choose the calendar, and just you can by the same way add here the calendar widget. Also, we can change the size of this calendar. Okay, that's too big to this screen, and here, as can you see, we can change the size of the widget. Also, if you want to just remove the widget, just press and hold, and here you'll see the remove icon. Just tap here on this icon, and as can you see, the widget is gone, and by the same way you can just remove the second widget. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.